Hello everyone, Bethany here. I have an unboxing for you today of a pen that I admittedly purchased back in June, but I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm slowly working my way through my shopping bag full of purchases. Anyway, I have an unboxing for you of a really special pen. I haven't looked at it yet, so I am really excited to get into this. And some wax. This is an order from C plus Beaux à tout. I don't know how to pronounce that actually. That's my best guess. We have a business card. Thank you. I purchased this from Etsy from being chosen on the Facebook group. Okay, so on the Facebook group, there are pin drops, there are blank drops, there are several different ways you can get your hands on one of these pins, but they are this pin, which I'm really excited to look at. This pin was on a post that was a random drawing for hybrid blanks, and basically you put a reservation in the comments. There were several different pins and each of them had a letter and a number, and you would comment on the post which one you wanted to win the opportunity to purchase. Here's a picture of the one that I chose and won for H59. So after Nicholas did the drawings, he listed all the pins and number and the winners of those pins. And so under H59 was my name because I got it. So then he puts a link for the Etsy listing and you go onto Etsy to purchase your pin. And from there you can also purchase any of the other non-reserved pins that he has, or wax, or you can also add stainless steel tips or tracking, that kind of thing. So let's get into it. So I got the pin, and I also, with that pin, purchased stainless steel tips for a single placer and for a 4-placer. I bought 2 waxes. They were supposed to be these 2 waxes, but these are the 2 waxes that came in my purchase. And this is also why I took a little while to do the unboxing, because what happened was I got these 2 and I was like, oh, that's not the one I ordered. I ordered cherry and coconut. And so I sent him a message and he was like, oh, I'm so sorry. I'll send you the cherry right away. And he did. I got these all relatively fast. I got to keep this one, which was very gracious of him as well. But as with all the other things, they've been in quarantine, in my mail quarantine section. But anyways, it's finally time for me to unbox these and look at them. I'm almost too excited to actually look at the pen. Oh goodness. Okay, so the pen comes in a lovely black felt bag. You can see my steel tip poking out. All right, let's look at the pen. Like I said, this is a hybrid pen. Wow. It has, I believe, pine cone in it. It's actually Well, I cannot actually tell if it's black or dark blue. Let's shine a light on it. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's dark blue. Although you can't tell when the light's not shining, like when you don't have a really bright light on it. But look at how, look at the difference of that with light directly on it versus when there's not light on it. It looks like it even kind of sparkles a little bit. Oops, sorry, bumped the camera. That is so pretty. I love it. This has a little bit of a, looks like a hole there. I may end up rubbing a little bit of resin over that. Love how this turned out. The steel tips are going to be a new thing for me. So we'll see how that turns out. I do think I'll like them, but who knows? All right, that's my beautiful pen. Coconut. This tin is a little banged up. Coconut wax. Smells great. Cherry wax. Smells great. This apple. I think that's my favorite, actually. Yeah, so I'm going to get to try those out, see how I like them, try my new pen out, finally, see how I like it, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye!